Today we'll be looking at climate. What is climate? What are the different climate zones? What are the countries located in each zones? Climate describes the long-term situation in the atmosphere. Climate describes the long-term situation in the atmosphere. The climate of a place is based on the average weather condition experienced over a period of time, usually 30 years. Climate zone. The climate zone of the Earth are distinguished by the latitudes that run across the Earth's surface. The most important ones are the equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. There are 3 climate zones. 1. Tropical zone. The tropical zone is also called the torrid zone. 2. Temperate zone. 3. Polar zone. The polar zone is also called the frigid zone. Tropic zone. The region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the tropic zone. This is the hottest part of the Earth. The sun's heat falls directly on this zone during the solstice and the equinoxes. The summer solstice is the time of the year when the sun passes overhead the farthest north. It usually takes place on the 22nd of June, and the winter solstice is when the sun passes farthest south of the equator, which usually happens on the 21st of December. The equinoxes usually occurs 2 times each year. This occurs when the sun crosses the equator and day and night is approximately of equal length almost everywhere on Earth. This usually happens on the 21st of March and the 22nd of September. The tropical zone includes Jamaica, the Caribbean, most of Africa, southern India, South Asia, Indonesia, New Guinea, North Australia, southern Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. The second zone is the temperate zone. The temperate zone falls between the 2 tropics and the Arctic Circle in the north and the Antarctic Circle in the south, respectively. This zone usually has a mild temperature and enjoys all the 4 seasons annually: summer, spring, autumn, and winter. This is because in these regions, the sun is never directly overhead. The countries in the temperate zone include Great Britain, Europe, North Asia, Northern Asia, North America, Northern Mexico. The southern temperate zone includes Southern Australia, New Zealand, Southern South America, and South Africa. The last of the zone is the polar zone. This is also called the frigid zone. This zone is beyond the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. The frigid zone is very cold. Sometimes the sun does not rise or set for 24 hours and is literally 1 year long, with 6 months of daylight and 6 months of night. Two countries that are found in the frigid zone is Antarctica and Greenland.